This is Liz Waldman with your Pilot Home Team out of Keller Williams DTC office, and here's what happened in the market in 2016 and compared to what happened in 2015. So to start, the most homes sold were in June at 5,904 homes. Then August, 5,894 homes were sold. In July with 5,623 homes, which is not uncommon. Summer tends to be the busiest months of the year as far as home sales go. In 2015, it was June, July, and August as well. The most homes on the last day of the month was in September at 10,193 homes, then August at 9,694 homes, and finally July at 9,565 homes. Again, not that uncommon. People hear the hot summer markets, they list their homes, so there's obviously going to be more homes on the market and more at the end of the month. In 2015, it was June, September, and August that had the most homes on the last day of the month, in that order. The least homes sold were in January with 3,132 homes, February 3,364 homes, and then finally March 4,524 homes. Not surprising. Things tend to slow down in the wintertime, especially around the holiday season. So the start of the year, first 3 months of the year, it's not uncommon that those have the lowest amount of homes sold. In 2015, it was January, February, and November. The months with the least homes on the last day of the month was January with 5,857, then March 6,097, and then finally December was 6,582. In 2015, it was February, December, April. Again, just those slower winter months going on there. The highest price sold in 2016 was in June, and that was $360,000 as the average. And then the next closest was May at $357,000. Again, not surprising. There we are again in the hot summer months where everybody's buying and prices go up. In 2015, it was May at the highest, then June, then August. The lowest price sold in 2016 was January at $315, then February at $325. So not too far really from the highest price sold, but again, not surprising in the winter months that it's the lowest. In 2015, it was April, then January, then February. The highest ask price in 2016 was actually in March at $513,600, and then April at $510. Not surprising. More people are out buying and really pushing up that price. Though $513 is the highest that it's been in years. In 2015, again, it was March, February, and January. Now, the months with the lowest asking price was in September at $465,000, then October $475,000. Again, with September being the month with the most homes on the last day of the month, it's not surprising that happens to be the lowest price, lowest asking price, average asking price. In 2015, it was January, then July, and then September. The longest days on market was in January at 38 days, then February at 37, and then December at 34. Again, the slow winter months. 2015, it was January, February, and March and December were tied. The shortest days on market was in July with 20 days, then June at 21, and then August at 23. Again, hot summer months. And in 2015, it was July, June, and then tied with May and August. There's just a theme there, I guess. The majority of homes sold in January were the 200 to 299 price range, and then quickly went over to the 300 plus in February, which we hadn't seen in years. And then the second closest from that 200 to 499 price range had been the 180 to 199 price range for a while, for years. And that was actually the fourth highest price range up until February. And then that quickly switched over to 500. So the market shifted a little bit last year. Prices were pushed up, which isn't surprising. What's expected for this year, we're not exactly positive. People are predicting not as high of increases in prices in homes, but it's still 4,000 to 5,000 people moving to the Denver metro area every single month. So who's to say we don't have the inventory? So I think it's going to be another positive year, but maybe not that 10% increase that we're used to. If you have any other questions about the year, the market, neighborhoods, whatever it may be, please call us at 303-570-5579 or visit our website at www.yourpilothome.com, and I will let you know what happened in January.